So I wanted to talk to you about this super cool feature in this Keydous NJ98-CP V2 HE rapid trigger keyboard. Super long name and complicated. Anyway, the Keydous is not that well-known company, but they make pretty quality keyboards. So this one has a hot swappable PCB which supports the magnetic switches. You have right here the Kale Ice Cream magnetic switch V2. It's pretty good, it types well. But the cool thing about this PCB is that it supports the magnetic switch and also 3 and 5 pin mechanical regular switch. So you can just hot swap switches and you can install any other, not any other, but a good variety of magnetic switches like the Jade Max or Jade Pro. So these are magnetic switches. So this work. You just place them and you have to calibrate the software by pressing the key in the software and it will work. But also you can use just pretty much any mechanical switch that will fit. Okay, so let me install a couple of different switches, and to make sure I will also try them in the software and tell you if they work or not. Okay, so I have installed a couple of different 3 and 5 pin switches, TTC Magneto, Magnetic Jade, and just Magnetic Gateron Max, and just some random mechanical switches, and they all work. The only switch that didn't work was the Reisha silent switch from Drangdir, but I expected that it wouldn't work. But pretty much any other 3 or 5 pin switch, it works. Just put it, hot swap it, and it works. So it's pretty great. I hope more keyboards will have this feature soon. Okay, so just for the ending, I will present you the sound test of the Keydous keyboard. It's pretty great. You can buy it from the Keydous website with my code if you want. If you want to support the channel, I recommend it. I love this feature. I love this keyboard. It's the one with the brass plate. So it's white. It has the gold coating. So anyway, thanks for watching.